When you use Home Group to set up your home network, there are certain defaults that are applied according to the selections you make while you're setting up your home group. For example, which libraries will be shared, pictures, videos, documents, and so on. Of course, we can go back and make changes to those settings, but we can take it a step further by choosing the exact folders and even files we want to share. Let's do that now. We'll start by accessing the Home Group through Windows Explorer. So from the taskbar, click the Windows Explorer icon. And if you've set up a home group, you'll see it in the navigation pane. So click once and you'll see that there are no other people in the home group at this time. So before we can view files from other people on the network, they need to join the home group. Nobody's done that yet, but we have set up our own home group. So if we want to make changes, we can go to View Home Group Settings, click that link, where we can also make changes, for example. If we didn't want to include videos and music, but we do want pictures, documents, and printers, we leave those selected. And if we don't want to stream pictures, we can deselect that checkbox. So make the selections you want and make sure you save those changes. But that's just one option. Those are the libraries, the default selections that we can choose from. What if we wanted to share our exercise files, for example? Well, in that case, we would navigate first to the folder. Let's go to our desktop and we'll double-click exercise files. This gets us inside. Now, if you don't have exercise files, don't worry about it. You can select any folder you like, and we're going to turn the sharing on. Let's do it for a folder inside our Chapter 7 folder. So we'll double-click, and there you see 0703. Click once to select it, and down below, you'll be able to see if it's been shared. And in this case, we see no information indicating this is being shared with any home group or anyone else for that matter. But right here from the toolbar, choose Share With, and you can see our options. Nobody is the default, but we can share with a home group two different ways. We can allow them to see what's in the folder but not make changes to it. Or we can allow them to go in and have read-write access, which does allow them to make changes. So let's choose Home Group Read Write. Now the moment you do that, that information appears down below. You can see the state now is shared, and it's shared with a home group. But if I didn't want to share the entire folder, maybe just certain files, we can go back to Share With, choose Nobody, and as soon as we do that, the shared information disappears. And let's go inside the folder and select a single file or multiple files. It's up to you. If we select the first image, hold down Shift and click the last one, all of them will be included. But I'm going to hold down Control and click the middle one. Otherwise, I would have just shared the entire folder. In this case, it's only these two pictures that I want to share. So with those selected, I go up to Share With, and now I choose Home Group. I'm going to choose Read Write Access. So it's only these items, the two items that are selected, that are currently shared. If I click Macause, you'll notice there's no share information down below. If I go to either of the other two, I do see that they are shared. So that's how we customize exactly what we're going to share and how we're going to share it in Home Group. We can close that up when we're done.